Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. All the best. Here, this is mainly for 11th and 12th organic chemistry conversion we are going to do. Here, how to get propane from propane. So what is propane? This is unsaturated compound and it is CH3 CH double bond CH2 is propane. And what is propane? CH3 CH2 CH3 is propane. So when propane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, we'll get 1 chloropropane, alcoholic QH. So this Cl is replaced by Cl and H. H and Cl from the adjacent carbon are replaced and we'll get KCl and water, and dehydrohalogenation takes place and we will get CH3 CH double bond CH2, that is propene. Again I will repeat, this is unsaturated compound and propane is saturated alkane. When chlorination takes place in presence of sunlight, 1 chloropropane is obtained and alcoholic QH, dehydrohalogenation is taking place. H from adjacent carbon and Cl from this carbon will be eliminated and KCl and water will be obtained and we'll get propene. Now convert propene into propine. So here propene and propine both are unsaturated compound. Here CH3 CH double bond CH2. Propene and propine is CH3 C triple bond CH. So what we have to do, chlorination takes place in presence of sunlight. Okay. So what will happen over here? We will get vicinal dihalide. This is known as 1,2 dichloropropane. Okay, sunlight you write down yourself, sunlight. And propine will be obtained when we treat this vicinal dihalide by alcoholic QH. So alcoholic QH, again dehydrohalogenation takes place. Cl from here and adjacent hydrogen from here is lost. Cl from this carbon and hydrogen from the adjacent carbon. So 2 moles of KCl, 2 moles of water will be lost. This is also dehydrohalogenation. What is this reaction called? Dehydrohalogenation. Okay, so we will get propine after this. After dehydrohalogenation, water and KCl will be lost and we will get propine. Now convert benzene into ortho-nitrochlorobenzene. So first of all, what we have to do, chlorination takes place. This is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In presence of Lewis acid, this hydrogen is replaced by Cl and chlorinium ion. So here we will see that chlorobenzene is obtained, and since Cl is ortho and para directing, conc HNO 3 when react with chlorine, chlorobenzene, we will get ortho-nitrochlorobenzene. Why we are getting this? Because ortho and para positions are electron rich because of the resonance stability, electron density at ortho more. So we will get ortho-nitrochlorobenzene. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best.